so you guys ready for this one?
Oh! Dude, I didn't even see that one coming.
All right, so why are you guys here in this office?
First of all, it's an empty office. Second of all,
It's very bright in here.
it's bright. And third of all, there's this random screen in front of us.
Basically, I'm gonna show you amazing 50/50s from history.
All right, I'm ready. Let's do this.
So, here's the first one.
Okay.
Oh wow, this is.
I remember this.
I know this one. I know this one. This is actually very good 50/50. I know this product off the top of my head.
It's HydroView.
It's HydroView. Easy to use, spray on, wipe off formula, get hydrophobic.
You know what the funny thing is from this angle, it looks like the right side looks much better because you don't have all the little beads on the left. But what they don't understand is whenever you're on the freeway and you're hitting that, 60, 65 miles per hour, the wind's gonna start causing it to kind of smear around. It's gonna look all blurry.
I mean, it may look clear with the video running, but so freeze framed here, right now it's pretty much like blurry.
Yeah, of course, yes. So that's super blurry. So the brick wall on the right, you
Do we
can't
have
even see the little lines.
Yeah, you see in the top right corner there, it's like you don't even see the lines of the brick.
Clay bar, clay luber, HydroView, drive off, enjoy the shine, enjoy the visibility, use it at home, non-tinted glass.
I like it.
All right, next video.
I love it.
I'm thirsty now.
Before we get started, before we go on further with this video, there is a lot of people of you guys that have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, but you guys are viewing our videos.
What's up with that?
So, first of all, welcome to the ChemicalGuys family. We drop videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that teaches you guys how to do everything around your car, from cleaning your tires, to dressing them, to clean your engine bay, your undercarriage, your interior. The list goes on. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we have brand new content. So what I recommend you do right now is start subscribing, turn post notifications on, stay in tune with us like this every single time we drop a brand new video full of knowledge. You are the first one to be notified. And as always, welcome to the CG family. Now back to the video.
That's right.
Kool-Aid.
I like Kool-Aid there.
Yeah.
We gotta go to that restaurant where they had the Kool-Aid.
So what's going on here?
So right here, what we're showing the viewer is hydrophobic properties on fabric seats. Not fabric seats, fabric carpet. So let me just give you a quick rundown. So a lot of people misunderstand this product. So they say,
That's nice.
why do I want hydrophobic properties on the interior of my car, my fabric surfaces, or even at home? The reason why you want it is because as soon as water puddles inside your fabric like that, if it doesn't dry properly, you can get water stains. Or especially if you're the type of person that drinks coffee on the way to work. Unfortunately, one of our coworkers here in the office actually spilled coffee, so there's gonna be a video, hint, hint, for you guys about how to clean up coffee. But other than that, ceramic coat your fabric with HydroThread, spray it on, you could brush it in, let it sit, let it actually adhere properly to the fabric. If you need more, apply more. But other than that, what this product is intended to do is it's intended for the liquid to sit at the top of the fabric and not let it soak in. So you could actually have enough time to run over, get your microfiber towel, come back and pick up the spills. That's what this product is intended for. You could also use it on your shoes, fabric surfaces.
I don't know what to add on top of that. I think I was
Add
gonna.
the cherry on
I
top.
was gonna say that you can use it on more things than just your vehicle, but you basically said that at the end. So I was like, dang, that was the only thing I had to contribute to that whole segment. You use it on your hat, shoes, sneakerheads. If you guys love your shoes, throw it on there. Protect them from fabrics when it's a rainy day. Splish splash.
You guys have
just
seen
goes
us a
right
lot
on.
you guys have seen tons of videos, Joey and I, or anyone else on the camera, that we here are sneakerheads. We love sneakers, and they always say, why is he washing a car with Jordans? Well,
Why
that's the
wouldn't you wash a car with Jordans
First of
is the
all-
question.
First of all, they're just shoes. Second of all,
They're meant to be
protected
worn.
with HydroThread. So whenever they're like fabric, I put HydroThread on them. Other than that, nonsense super cleaner. Or lightning fast cleans Jordans too. Clean your shoes.
You got it.
Nonsense. Ooh, okay. So I know this 50/50.
I know this one. I know it.
So it's
It's
still in
in the-
Gardena. So if you guys
Yes.
have not known, we moved actually. So our old location's finally gone. We have a big, ginormous, beautiful headquarters location now.
If you're watching this on the day of release, which is Friday,
Tell everyone.
March 10th,
Tomorrow is the grand opening.
tomorrow is the ChemicalGuys flagship store grand opening, and me personally and Henry want to invite you guys out to our epic grand opening / Rides and Coffee Car Show event. We're gonna pack up our brand new headquarters parking lot
actually
with
have
all
over
kinds
1,000.
of custom trucks, cars, bikes, SUVs. We even got Groms. We got
We have everything you think about is going to be at this event. So we're located at 3501 Sepulveda Boulevard in the beautiful city of Torrance. If you want to see more footage of our event going on that day, or right now, go to your Instagram, Chemical Guys Store, all one word. Type it in there. You can see all of our posts. We want to invite you guys out. Come out, share the passion for shine, check out the beautiful store, check out beautiful cars.
State-of-the-art store.
Say hi to us, say hi to our videographers, say hi to everybody. Come out. We hope to see you guys there.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Because I'll be there.
I'll be there too.
I'll be there too. All right.
No one cares, Jason. If you care that Jason's going to the Chemical Guys flagship store grand opening, comment down below.
An emoji.
Comment
I
a.
want 1,000 likes on this video.
What's-
I want
What's your favorite emoji?
description,
What's your favorite emoji?
The eggplant.
Comment a ghost if you're happy that Jason's going to the grand opening. Ghost emoji. This is gonna be nuts. Jason like looking at this, be like, "Hello, darkness, my old
The
friend."
joke's on you, ghosts. You can't see ghosts, so there's so many on there, you just don't even know.
But this is at our old location. I do see a 50-50, and I do not see any running water. So
I'm trying to figure out whether it's EcoSmart waterless wash or Swift Wipe waterless wash.
you know what I think it is? Swift Wipe Waterless Wash mint scent.
That's a very good guess.
What would somebody need to get this result?
Well, look at the setting. You're in the parking lot, you got some extra time on your hands, you don't have a running garden hose. A waterless wash is a perfect, scenario, an alternative way to wash your car in this situation where you don't have running water. So if you're on the go, you're on the fly, maybe you're on your lunch break and you want to go ahead and clean your ride, but you don't want to pull out your 2 buckets, your dirt trap, your foam can, your pressure washer, and the list goes on. Grab yourself a bottle of EcoSmart or Swift Wipe, whichever the product it is.
Do we have a product that has ceramic in the water?
Now we do. So this was done during the time where we didn't have a ceramic-based waterless wash, but now we have HydroGlide ceramic waterless wash. That's right. So
do that Torrance Glide across your paint with a microfiber towel, HydroGlide or HydroGlide or EcoSmart. Spray it on, wipe it off. But now, we get this question all the time.
what is it?
How many towels do I need to wash a car?
That all depends on how dirty the car is. Like
This
normally for a car like that, I would say anywhere from like
3 to 5 towels.
like 5 towels max.
Because remember, you need to fold your towels so you get the best of them all. Don't go all over the place with just.
People use their towels, they just open it up entirely, start doing all this stuff, fold it in half, fold that half and another half, and then use that side to wipe your car. Then once that side gets dirty, guess what? You have another side of that towel. But here's where it gets even better. You flip that towel to the other side, and now you have 2 more sides of your towel. But here's the best part. It keeps going on. You flip your towel to the other side, and you have 4 more sides to wipe down your ride.
He's not good with that.
It's gonna be like bam, bam, boom, bam,
Stop.
bam, boom, boom, bop.
So you guys ready for this one?
Yeah.
All right. That's the before.
Oh, dude, I didn't even see that one coming. I thought it was a matte wrap.
I know whose car that is.
That's Tommy's car.
That's Tommy's car. Wow. So actually, a lot of people thought this car was matte, but the answer is no. So this car, let me give you guys a quick rundown.
The owner even thought it was matte.
This car was put to the test. So it was a daily driven car. It had over 250,000 miles on it. It would just sit in our parking lot.
The
He
logo.
would drive it. He wouldn't care for it. He would never wash it. And over time, it actually started, the paint went that dull.
It was the true definition of a
on the
beater.
left, you guys can see how it actually looks. It was completely dull, neglected, but when it would rain, the shine would come back.
That was really weird. Whenever
So
you
then-
wet the car, it would look super shiny. Then once it dries up, it's just like, ugh.
So then we like to put our products to test, and we did P4 and C4 on this. So we did the combo because that was one of our newest launch that time, and we want to showcase that big before and after. So this is what P4 and C4 actually do to your car. It revives the paint, removes the imperfections, brings back the shine. Like this, you have a mirror reflection. But that's my guess, P4, C4.
You know what's my favorite part about this video? Is that after we did this on his trunk,
We left
it stayed that way for like 2 weeks. And we left it like that because we wanted to see, just everyone's reaction to it, just because I thought it was an amazing 50-50.
Next video.
Pause.
Right now.
Oh my God, this is so bad. No.
It's a young joke.
Bro, this is at my house. Look at me, I look like a thumb.
But yes, you can use streak free at home.
Use it
So
at home.
streak-free.
Use it on your glass shower doors, your mirror.
All right, what we got next, Jason?
It's so satisfying.
This is satisfying. Drill brush on fabric with fabric clean diluted 1601 or 801 depending.
It was 801.
801 depending how bad your stains are, but the drill brush attachment is a good thing to have on your arsenal like this.
Look how quickly it freaking erases all the dirt.
No
right?
elbow grease needed, so let the machine do the work, the drill.
If you guys do want to use it by hand, you can use a big blue stiffy brush, but in this case, since
Or
we
the
came
nifty
out
brush.
with exactly.
And if your fabric is super sensitive, here's a pro tip. Get a microfiber towel, like a workhorse microfiber towel, wrap it around and scrub like that. The bristles will add agitation under the towel, but the
Kind of adds like a
towel will-
massaging
yeah.
factor. 'Cause you're
Massaging?
Well, anyways, this looks great. I did this myself, and I'm proud of this. We did it with the gray light duty drill brush, fabric clean diluted 8:1. So if you guys want to achieve results like this, you can not only achieve results like this on your interior, you can use it on your seats, your carpets, but you can use it as home as well,
Wow,
on
that's a
carpets,
big
couches, you name it. Damn, that thing was dirty.
Yeah, you could also use fabric clean at home, carpets. A lot of people have kids and kids have Cheeto fingers, touch your carpet, touch your fabric. Clean up with fabric clean. Simple, fast, easy to use. Or if you want to go in lightning speed, we also carry one that's a sprayable form. It's lightning fast. Spray it, scrub it, wipe it, walk away, enjoy the result.
You enjoy the results, then you walk away.
I enjoy the results once up. Like, stain couldn't stand that. Chemical.
So that wraps up our first React video.
There's no more?
What'd you guys think?
That's it.
Oh man, I thought
You
there
know
was
what?
more.
I have actually something.
Just fun. Okay.
Can our viewers submit their 50/50s and can we react to them?
Definitely.
We go through Instagram.
Hashtag
Well-
my chemical guys family.
We do have more of these clips, so if everyone wants to see more of them, they should smash that like button, they should subscribe.
Yes.
Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
And then,
Subscribe.
we can-
Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
So you guys
Subscribe.
can close it out with that too. So
Subscribe.
If you guys like this.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
All right, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to
Subscribe.
give us a huge like and, of course,
Subscribe. This is our very first reaction video to our 50/50s, but I want to start reacting to you guys because obviously you guys are the Chemical Guys family and make the brand that we are today. But if you guys want to pick up any of these products that you saw in today's reaction videos, as always, you can pick them up on chemicalguys.com. Just get your fingers, chemicalguys.com, or drive down to your local detail garage. We do have over 100 detail garage locations now in the US, UK, and Canada. I remember when I started saying we had 20, 30, 40, but now we have over 100. So if
Goes
you want to
fast.
pick up those products, you can Detail Garage or chemicalguys.com. And as always, this is Joey, aka Thumb, and this is Henry.
And if you guys want to submit your own video for us to react to, make sure to tag us on Instagram, hashtag Chemical Guys Family, so we can see your videos and we can react to them on our next episode.
Use the hashtag Chemical Guys Family. We'll search them, we'll find them, we'll react to them, we'll get back to you guys. Don't forget, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, brand new content for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe.
I forgot to do the hand motion.